working on the cylinder. Let me show you what we got so far. I did some of this off camera. So let's bring you in a little bit closer here. Piece of aluminum, it's 11/16 by 5/8, and it's longer than it needs to be. It needs to be an overall length of 1 inch. It's about 1 3/16 or so. So I found the edge of this, went in 7/16 of an inch, which is 437.5 thousandths, and using the digital readout, found the edge here, and then split this distance, halved it using the half feature. And I'm gonna got a little center drill in here. I'm gonna center drill this to find the center of the cylinder bore, and then I'm gonna bring it over to the lathe and put it in the 4-jaw chuck and bore it, ream it, and I got to put a little bit of an undercut in the bottom of the cylinder. And that's all I need to go. Show you what I got here. This is a spring-loaded center here, and what you do, you just put it in the center, and that little center drill that I had laid out on the mill, that goes in there, and this helps locate, especially when you got square stock like this. You could find you'll be able to indicate this much easier. So what that's doing is that's just transferring any side motion into this piece here, so this would wobble back and forth, so that's just indicating it better. So as you can see, I got it right there. And so I'm gonna go ahead and drill and ream this for 3/8 of an inch for a depth of 29-30 seconds. And then at the bottom of that, I gotta use I use a boring bar, and I gotta cut a little undercut at the bottom of that cylinder. So let me get set up. A9 for a little lubrication there. Alright, so this is drilled out to one size below 3/8, and I was going to ream it, but I decided let me make that undercut first. So I got my boring bar set up in here, and I'm going to bring that in, and I have my cross slide zeroed out, and I'm going to bring that in a little bit, and I'm just going to touch off on that. I'm going to set my carriage stop, and I'm just going to back off a hair on that, and I'm just going to cut a slight undercut, maybe about 5 thousandths, and I just want to eliminate that bottom corner. do it. Alright, once again, got the lathe and back gears, got my 3/8 reamer chucked up. Got a lubricant there. Good. Alright. I faced this off, and the depth of the cylinder has got to be 906 thousandths deep. So that's what I got here so far. I've been taking a little bit off and measuring, and let's see. .908. So I'm going to keep that at that. 2 thousandths is plenty good, and we'll get this out, and a couple more operations to do on that. Drill some holes, do a couple of chamfers on there, and alright, I think I'll wrap this video up on this part and come back again with the rest of the operations for the cylinder in another video. This is starting to run longer than I anticipated.